We're going to cook with this stew, so tuendeni tuiekele. It's not that a lot because I'm cooking for less. I'm gonna like spread it out, sikaikaiko one-sided. So that is how it looks. Hapo ndipo nimefikisha maji. That is where the water should be. That is where the water should be. So yeah. We'll add salt and we'll stir. We have to stir and make sure that the tomatoes are well done before you add. I'm gonna add spices. I'm gonna use curry powder, this masala. I'm gonna use this masala. I'm gonna add a little bit of the mixed spice, a little bit of with masala, curry powder. I'm gonna give it a little mix. We'll add a little bit of water. So the spice gets together. Then you can see when it moves. Coming in. At this point we're gonna add our potatoes. It's a good mix so that we do well. So we're gonna mixing. There's the aroma that is coming out of here. You won't even believe it. So at this point we'll cover for a few minutes. After 1 minute, that is how the food looks. So we'll add water. Make sure the water covers the whole area, covers the potatoes that way. See, they are covered. You have to make sure that the salt, you've tasted the salt. So yeah. After like 5 minutes we are done to check if the potatoes are ready so that we can add the, I don't know what you call this, but I'll show you. So at this point I'm gonna add the cabbage, so let us add together. Added the cabbage. We've already added the cabbage. We're gonna give it a good mix. Yo, guys, this is how it looks. So guys, I love pumpkin, so I've added a little bit of pumpkin in here. So we are going on well. I'm not adding a lot of water because I don't want the food to be watery, to have a lot of added on this. So we're gonna give it a quick mix also. Okay, then we'll add on top we're gonna grate the carrots and other stuffs. We're giving it a quick mix. So this is how it looks. So we've grated carrots on top of this, and then we'll add the Royco cubes. So guys, this is the Royco cube. I don't know if you can see. This is the Royco cube. So we're gonna peel it. So we're gonna squeeze it there. We're gonna squeeze it like a cube. So I'm gonna give it a quick mix. We'll give this a quick mix. You can see, guys, we're going on well. Quick mix. Don't know if you guys have seen the food. It's looking fantastic. Very nice. See, guys. See. Very tasty.